It's important for your website to offer a great customer experience and be able to adapt to an ever-changing retail environment. But how do you do this? We created Grow My Store, a free online tool which brings together valuable insights and creates bespoke recommendations to help you assess and improve your retail website. It's easy. Just enter your URL and tell us about your business. So, whether you're a fashion brand looking to start selling online, an established homeware store, or a tech company wanting to learn more about the latest trends, Grow My Store can help. See how your site compares with retailers in your sector and identify areas of improvement, such as adding product ratings and reviews. With country-level insights, understand your customers' preferences and habits. See what consumers are searching for in your industry and which Google tools can help you reach them. With a few small changes, achieve big results and unlock more insights, information and tools as your business evolves. Grow My Store grows with you.